First Florida Motorsports in Pompano Beach is pleased to present this super clean 2015 GMC Canyon pickup. This is a crew cab. It's got 4 brand new tires. We just put them on. It's been fully serviced. Nice clean black truck. It's got a tow hitch. It's got the Line X bed liner. Again, brand new tires. The wheels are in nice shape. Rust-free Florida truck. It is a one-owner truck. It's got the V6. Take a look inside. Power windows, power locks, power mirror, power driver's seat. You can see it's a real clean truck. Dash is perfect. No lights. 116,000 miles. It's got the rear view camera. Ice cold AC. It's got the original books. Again, real clean pickup truck. And this is the crew cab. Nice headliner. And paint's really nice on the roof. Top of the truck. Super clean headlights. If you're looking for an extra clean truck, this is it. Give us a call at First Florida Motorsports, 954-734-4700.